Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use a touchless thermometer. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this very simple and straightforward touchless thermometer. There are many different options for touchless or non-contact thermometers. You can call them a touchless thermometer, you can call them a non-contact thermometer. It basically means the same thing. This is just one option, but they work in a very similar way, okay? So you have a few options here. Now, most of the time, you're gonna just be able to push the buttons and it'll turn on by itself. So this one automatically turns on and turns off by itself. As soon as you touch a button, it turns on. As soon as you stop using it for a certain amount of seconds, it turns off. Great for battery conservation and ease of use. Now, on this one, you have three options. Your touchless thermometer might not have these options, but it probably has something very similar. You have this right here, which is the volume option. I have it set to off, so it's not gonna make any sounds, but you can turn it on or off. You have your memory option, which tells you the most recent measurements for temperature, which I never really use. And then you have your mode option, which is great because your mode is going to cycle through the modes. I'm going to turn so you can see what we have here. So to turn it on, I'm going to push that main button right there. Sorry about that. These buttons, I believe, don't turn it on. But for your mode options, we have room, so I can measure the temperature of a room. Okay, we also have surface temperature, if I'm measuring the temperature of, let's say, this wall over here. Or we have body, which is, if you want to measure someone's temperature, okay? So, I mean, I'm just going to demonstrate the body one, but you can use it to measure the temperature of a wall, let's say, or surface. You can use it to measure the ambient temperature of the room, let's say, but body is the one that I'm going to use, but you can select your own mode. Now, sorry about that. We're all good. I just want to make sure I'm still framed up properly. You can still just see a wall behind me. It's all good. You want to make sure you turn it on like that. Okay, so it's now powered on. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that we place it relatively, sorry about that, once again, my foot keeps hitting the tripod. You want to place it, a few inches from your head, just like that. And you want to click it to measure it. As you can see, 36.6, I don't know if you can see this. So that's normal, I would say. It all depends on your own, temperature, and that's 36.6 degrees Celsius. So once again, you just place it close to the person's forehead if you want to measure their overall body temperature. Okay, you press and hold the button down, release it. And once again, 36.6. If you turn the volume on, you will hear a beep. I'll do it one time. So I'll turn the volume on right now. Okay. And do the same thing, just like that. And it's been measured already, just like that. Once again, 36.6 degrees Celsius. You can use it for other parts of the body. If I wanted to measure the temperature of my hand, I could do the same thing, okay, 36.0 degrees Celsius. You can do that, but generally speaking, if you want to measure someone's temperature, you're going to aim for around the forehead. And you don't want it to be too close. You want it to be a few inches away. I would say I'm about 4 to 6 inches away, give or take. And that's going to give you the most accurate reading. And you want to also, if you really want accuracy, you want to measure twice. Like every time that I measured, it said 36.6 degrees Celsius. But, if I was just wearing a hat and I removed the hat, then the area would be a bit warmer. So if I were to measure twice, then it would give me the most accurate reading because I could see a little bit of the potential variance depending on the whole situation. But that's it. That is how to use a touchless thermometer or a non-contact thermometer. Really, really easy to use. And I've shown you exactly how to use it in this video, showing you how to use the options and showing you how to measure temperature. And like I said, you can use it to measure temperature, the temperature of other things as well, other than a person's forehead or a person's body temperature. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.